Hey guys, so I'm doing this video, 10 healthy ways to clear your head, because, well, I know a few people like who drink and stuff. I do too, so I can't really say much, but I also know people who smoke, so maybe this will help someone. I don't know. Number one is taking a walk. Yeah, this stuff does help. I love walks. I just don't bother anymore. I know that's not healthy. I need to get back on that, but yeah. Number two, talking to a friend. Like, it could even be like someone you're dating, like a boyfriend, a girlfriend, whatever. Just talk to someone. Number three, music. Listening to music, that helps me. I love music. Number four, playing the game. That can help, but it can also not help. So, yeah. I don't know. You be the judge of that if it helps you. Number five, taking a shower. Yeah, that helps me. I don't know why, but it does. That's kind of weird, but yeah. Number six, talking to someone on Skype, which is like talking to someone, but on Skype, whatever. That does help me.
He's gonna get the icebreaker.
Number eight.
No, you're gonna get the icebreaker. Go ahead.
I feel like I'm missing more. Number eight.
He's gonna get the icebreaker. Open the chest.
Oh, sit in a quiet place and thinking. If that helps me, I don't know why.
Okay.
Number nine. I might film a cover after this too.
Yeah.
But anyway, number nine. Playing a computer game. That's like playing a game, but except on computer. And that does help me too. Number 10.
Well, the jumping part's not that hard.
Watch a movie. I don't know why, but that really helps. Like, movies are the bomb.
No.
Speaking of movies, I need to see Despicable Me. Like, that movie is bae. Okay. Subscribe, like, if you want. Love you guys. Bye.
False light.
You want to say bye too? What are you doing? What are you doing? He's so cute. Here, let's do a little video on my dog. What are you doing?
Well, right now it's 40 minutes.
Alright, now you guys get to see me and my dog. Okay, bye.